Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing and activating Link Whisper on your WordPress site. Once done, enable automatic suggestions and choose which post types to scan so the plugin knows where to look. Run an initial site scan to build the index. This takes a few minutes, but is essential. You should watch the suggestions appear in the Link Whisper dashboard. This is the first actionable step that turns your content into linkable candidates. Make sure to allow indexing to finish before you proceed. You now move into the Suggestions tab and filter results by relevance or specific pages, so you focus on the most valuable connections. Click to accept, edit anchor text, or reject each suggestion. Editing anchors improves clarity and SEO. For repetitive, low-risk links, like category or author pages, use the bulk link feature to apply many links quickly. As you work, prioritize linking to cornerstone content and pages that need authority transfers. This process scales internal linking without manual rewriting. You finish by running a final internal links report to confirm new links and spot any orphan pages that still need attention. Once confirmed, adjust Link Whisper settings, set rel attributes, add nofollow rules where required, and set per post link limits to avoid overlinking. If you encounter errors, clear the plugin cache and force a reindex. That resolves most sync issues. Finally, monitor traffic and rankings over the next few weeks to validate improvements and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.